This isn't just a car. It's a masterpiece of power and elegance woven together. The Audi RS7 makes its presence known the moment your eyes meet it. That front fascia, aggressive yet graceful, wide, menacing grille, flanked by sharp, laser-cut headlights that look like eyes locked on prey. The lines sweep across the body with precision, athletic yet fluid, sculpted to slip through the air like a blade. Its stance is low, wide, unshakable. Wheels wrapped in performance rubber, rims gleaming with that unmistakable Audi design language. And then you reach the rear, sleek taillights stretching like fire across the width, dual oval exhausts promising fury with every press of the accelerator, while the subtle spoiler whispers of speed that doesn't need to be shouted. Step inside and you enter a world where luxury and performance collide. The cabin greets you with diamond-stitched leather seats, hugging you tight in comfort while reminding you this is a driver's machine. The dashboard is clean, futuristic, screens flowing seamlessly across, glowing with precision data and intuitive controls. The virtual cockpit puts everything at your command: maps, performance stats, music, all crystal clear, all customizable. The steering wheel feels thick, tactile, wrapped in Alcantara, begging to be gripped. Every button, every surface has weight and refinement, yet every detail is engineered for speed. This isn't just an interior, it's a cockpit for modern performance. And then, you ignite it. The twin-turbo V8 growls to life, deep and commanding, before unleashing a surge of power that pins you to your seat. Acceleration is instant, relentless, but always under your control. Quattro all-wheel drive locks you to the asphalt, giving you confidence no matter the road, no matter the weather. Its raw speed fused with unshakable precision. The RS7 isn't just about going fast. It's about doing it with poise, with sophistication, with an effortless dominance that feels almost unfair. This is not just luxury, not just performance. This is the Audi RS7, a perfect balance of elegance, power, and presence. A car that doesn't just move you, it defines you.